Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this eye look using Sleek eyeshadow palette. Sleek used to be like one of the OG eyeshadow palettes like a couple of years back, and then other brands came up, Urban Beauty, Morphe, and some other big brands, and then Sleek just kind of fizzled out. So I used this eye look today using Sleek eyeshadow palette. I think it turned out really well. I also went ahead to use the contour palette and one of the blush trials. Sleek contour palette used to be like my best contour palette, and now that I have discovered it, I think I'm going to be using it more often now. If you would like to see how I got this video, please keep on watching. And please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, please guys. Let's get to 100. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. To do this eye makeup today, I have with me 3 Sleek Eyes Divine eyeshadow palettes. I have Acid 570, the original 594, and Stone 578. So I'm just going to be showing you the shades. Sorry to block that. This is what I have for this. This is the Storm 578. It has pretty nice colors. Then we have the original 594. That has pretty nice colors as well. And then finally we have the Acid 570. This eyeshadow was my jam. My goodness. This black and ash right there. I used it so much. So I think we will be making use of the Storm and the original eyeshadow palettes. I can't see a transition color in any of these, and that is one thing with Sleek makeup why I think people kind of like shifted away from makeup. They are foiled eyeshadow. Will I say it's foiled? I mean the shimmery eyeshadows, they are like really pigmented, like they show a lot. They show up a lot on the skin, but they don't really have like transition colors. So that's something to bear in mind. Having said that, I'm going to be using my Sleek contour kit in the shade medium. I'll be using that as my transition color. Mind you, I already did my full face of makeup. I've already set underneath my brow with a powder. Like you all know, I really do not like going directly on concealer. I like to set because I think it blends out better. Now, taking a blending brush, I'm going to be going in with this dark shade right here in the Sleek contour kit, and I'm going to be blending that into my transition area. It's more like a skin tone color, and I think it's just going to look really nice. It's also going to tie everything together. Right, having done that, we are going to take the dark brown shade from the Storm palette, and I'm going to apply that in my crease. Next, I'm applying concealer to my lids, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. Taking that dark brown shade we used earlier, I'm going to place that in the outer corners of my eye. Next, taking this champagne color, it's a shimmery eyeshadow. I'm going to use that as my lid color, and I'll be applying that all over the lid. Ooh, it's a very beautiful shade, really pigmented. I'm going back in with that blending brush and the dark brown shade to blend everything in together and make it look seamless. Taking a smaller brush now to blend out the cut crease so that it looks well blended. Now taking this black and the dark brown shade from the same palette, I'm using that to smoke out my lower lash line. Taking that black shadow, I decided to make the look a bit smokier, a bit more smoky. I wanted to apply the black to make the look more smoky. That's what I'm doing here, and then I'm blending it out again once more. Blending is key, guys. Blend. Looking good. Next, taking that sleek contour kit in the shade medium, I'm going to be using that to contour my nose. I really do not like to use a very dark shade because I don't like those two stripes down the nose. I like my nose contour to look very natural. Taking the sleek contour kit in the shade dark, I'll be using that to contour the rest of my face. Mind you guys, I didn't use the highlighter portion in this contour palette because I wasn't going for that look. I just contoured my face. Taking the sleek blush in Flame, I'm taking these two shades, the peach and the orange, mixing both together and applying that to the apples of my cheek. It's a very beautiful color, guys. As you can see, really pigmented too. So this is the finished look. Thanks for watching.